Hello, today I'm going to talk about a module of the MDFiles component called MDFiles Featured. The MDFiles Featured helps to display featured file on the web page. As you can see on the right-hand side here, these two files are featured files. It appears on a website page to download. Features can be adjusted when you insert a document on MDFiles. There is a button to select if you want this file to be featured file or not. The MDFiles will bring the featured files on a website page. If you click the link, it brings you to the MDFiles component directly, so you can easily click and download the file. This page will show detailed files that we have uploaded at the administrator page. So that's all about the MDFiles Popular. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.